it looks like the new Mustang GT500 is almost here. Today, we're going to break down the latest photos that are just going viral right now all over social media, especially Instagram. I can't wait to show you what people are posting about this new GT500. About a month ago, a document came out talking about a new GT500 with an engine that's codenamed Legend. Well, I think it's finally coming out. Here's what we got to show you. But first, before we go any further, guys, make sure to get entered right now on speedphenom.com for the Mustang GT giveaway. Yep, we are giving away a Ford Mustang GT for the 7th generation platform. All you have to do is go on speedphenom.com right now. We have a 150 times promotional multiplier going on anything you pick up on the website, from track day tickets to our next track day at Big Willow, or products like hats and merchandise. So for every $1 you spend, you get 150 times entries into the giveaway. So make sure to check it out, and also check out our upcoming Speed Phenom Track Day at Willow Springs Raceway. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys this opportunity where you can drive your car on the racetrack. You will find all the details on speedphenom.com. One other thing I want to mention, guys, if you need any paint protection film like for your Mustang or Shelby, make sure to give us a call at 760-496-8607 to reach our HQ here in Carlsbad, California at our Speed Phenom Film PPF studio. We also specialize in windshield protection film, so if you need to protect your windshield for the road or for the track, give us a ring and we'd love to take care of you. Plus, we provide ceramic coating, window tinting, and all sorts of services to help you make the most of your car. You'll find our contact info down below. Back to the main purpose of today's video, we have to show you guys these photos that are going viral of this new car. I want to get your reactions right now. So here's an initial Instagram post from The Real Cervenka. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this individual's username correctly, but there's just so many of these photos all over the place, and this is a really good collage image right here with the Haggerty logo on it. So this is, if you want to find out more about these photos, original articles, you'll find those linked in the description below. I just want to point out what I'm visually noticing with this front end. They've completely deleted a majority of the front grille inserts because they're trying to maximize cooling, because this vehicle, it has more horsepower. Well, I think that's what we all think. That's why on one side of the front end of this dark horse front fascia, it seems like there's the grille inserts on the left and it's covered, but on the right side it's basically torn apart. Obviously they don't want to show us what this new front end looks like. They're trying to hide that. So what are they doing? Well, they're trying to just throw on a dark horse front bumper and maximize the air intake so that this new motor doesn't heat and overheat, and they can test everything out. Secondly, I want to point out these side fenders. Look at that. It looks like they've manually kind of extended them out. Obviously, this is not how the official version of the side front fenders will look, but they will be wider than a standard Ford Mustang front fender. So I'm very excited about that. What else do we notice? Well, carbon fiber wheels? Yep, these are the same wheels that we saw on the GT500 carbon fiber track pack. I used to own a GT500 carbon fiber track pack. This wheel setup was about $18,500. When you look at it right here, I mean, they're wide. To be able to fit those wheels on this car, you need not only, let's say, a wide tire, but a wide front fender setup. So that's why it looks like the front end is wider than originally. These vehicles originally will have 305s up front, I believe, last I checked, with the GT500, and then 315s out back. Such a wide contact patch, really so wide. I also want to point out the brakes look really big. They look really big, similar to the size of the brakes on the GT500. Those were 16.5 inches. So this does look like it has so many features from the GT500. That car needed the wide contact patch because it had so much horsepower. And look at this. So this Instagram channel even showed a closer up image of the extenders on those front fenders. Wow, that's crazy. This side's kind of torn apart, and they're really maximizing that front cooling. Then here's a closer shot of those wheels. Yeah, the same wheels based off the GT500, and whoa, they're using Cup 2Rs, and I love that mule sticker on the side. They're totally trolling us. Ford knows exactly what they're doing here. Shout out to this user. Whoa, those are the standard GT500 wheels, and then again 315, 30, 20. What else do you see on Google? I mean, there's just images all over the place. This one on Yahoo Autos shows a larger extended front splitter. Man, that's crazy. I wonder if we'll see a convertible version, because we never had a convertible version of the GT500 on the S550 platform. We originally did have a convertible version of the GT500 in, what, 2014, 2013? That was a long time ago. And speaking of flashbacks, remember this flashback of the 2020 GT500? The complete car with the front end and the entire vehicle just covered. I remember I was actually in a college class where when someone leaked the official complete version of the car on an image where they were at a Ford dealer function in Las Vegas. That was really funny. Looking at all that, and then now flash forward all these years, we're at the next stage, the next generation version of the GT500. So shout out to Haggerty and everyone who was involved to get these photos. Make sure to check out their content. I'm just showing you publicly what you're seeing on Google Images and Instagram. I'm just reporting what we're seeing and also my feedback. And my feedback is this: based off those images, they even had a roll cage put inside that black car. When do they take these vehicles onto the road? Well, they take them onto the road when they have to. That's why they're trying to make light of the whole situation. In terms of getting a vehicle legalized, or that's not the right word, getting it homologated, certified. In order to sell a car, you got to get it completely up to all the regulations, and there's certain set parameters and standards that you have to follow, which means street testing is in order. There's a certain point where cars, they have to hit the streets, and that's why I think Ford here put that mule sticker on the side of the car, because they're just trying to make light of the whole situation. Trust me, they know we're making this video right now, plus they know everyone else is talking about it, because obviously they let the vehicle go out of the facility in Dearborn looking like that. They know attention is on them. This is actually very good for marketing because it builds hype, and we're hyped. I'm hyped, right? The GT500 was a really cool car. The thing about it is, with this new GT500 coming out, will it be completely overpriced? Because the Dark Horse, you can max out the Dark Horse to be 70 plus to even $80,000 last I checked with all the carbon fiber wheel options. How much will this new GT500 be? Will it be really hard to get? Will they limit production? I don't think they'll limit production, but these cars usually are pretty hard to get initially, and there's some large markups. If you wait it out, usually they're much easier to get. Do you think it'll cost over $100,000? Will they pivot and aim this car towards a Corvette Z06? That's an interesting question, because the Z06 starts at a little over $100,000, and you're getting towards $150,000 and then more for a maxed out car. If this vehicle has close to the horsepower of the GTD, will it upset Mustang GTD buyers? I don't know, because the previous GT500 had 760 horsepower. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Also, if you need any paint protection film for your Ford Mustang, if you need to protect it for the street, because we all know rock chips happen super fast, especially if you go to the track, make sure to give us a call at 760-496-8607 here at Speed Phenom Film. We also do windshield film installations. If you want to protect your windshield, give us a call and we'd love to take care of you. Plus ceramic coating, window tint, and more. We provide all those services, and we're located right here on the beach in Carlsbad, California. You'll find our contact in the description down below. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. It really does help me out. And subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you're up to date with all the new videos the second I post them. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next one.